This is our celebrated version here, the deep wave texture. It's very full at the end. You can see this almost one line. You see, it's not thin, it's not thin, it's average one line. The texture is very nice. And this is our 18-inch. Let me show you the size here. You see, 18-inch. We still have a lot of hair. You see my finger just grasp the hair. Still a lot of hair at the end. And after you wet it, remember after you wet it, it's very, very gorgeous texture. This one. Very nice. And we have the closure and frontal to match this deep wave texture. Let me show you the closure, the deep wave. Celebrated version here, deep wave. It's very bouncy. See? They can match very well. You see the texture? This lace is very nice lace. See this structure, this one. The lace, the texture is very full at the end. This closure. And we have the frontal to match this bundle. You see, also very full. You see, very nice. And we have pre-plug hairline. This one and some baby hair. You see the lace. You see, it's very. Let's come to see the texture again. To see all this. Very nice. Very nice.